time, what do you see? Is it 3 in the afternoon? Or is it 2 hours to Asr? Many of us use a phone app to track our prayer times and Qibla direction before we pray. But as our lives get busier and our devices noisier, notifications battle for attention, and it's almost impossible for that small prayer reminder to be seen. Before we get to our prayer apps, we have to swipe through our phone, wait for ads to pass, even set up profiles. Worse, we can't control who accesses or sends our data to others without our knowledge. Our current devices are not designed for our lifestyle as Muslims. Until now. Introducing Qibla Watch by Taqwa, dedicated to show your prayer times at one glance. Swipe to find the Qibla and track your zikr goals with another swipe. Integrated countdown bars and reminder notifications ensure you'll never miss another prayer. Qibla Watch syncs to Masjid Hub, an app that is easy to understand and use. Control your alarms, calculation methods and goals, all from the comfort of the app. It fetches your exact location directly from your phone, keeping you updated across countries and continents.
At Taqwa, we are pioneers in innovation for Muslim lifestyle. Our motivation is to integrate faith into the lives of our Muslim friends globally. We have pushed out 6 successful crowdfunding campaigns, and this is our biggest one yet.
As bootstrap entrepreneurs, we cannot do this without you. With your help, we'll be able to begin the final development process and begin mass manufacturing. And with your support, we'll be able to introduce more of such innovations to the world.
Because doing what we are commanded to do deserves the very best.